Ciao Tesla people, I'm going to do a Supercharger Talk number 9. I'm going to the supercharger here in Florence to charge, and then we'll do some news that happened in the Tesla world around last week, last couple of days too, because there are so many news, and I'll see you there in a bit. Okay, so I'm here at the supercharger. It's quite busy. Unfortunately, I have to park beside one car, so I cannot charge fully, full speed. Blue, 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 blue. Let's see if green. Good. I know it sucks for this other guy too, but I can't do anything. And the speed is really low. 24 kilowatt? What the You kidding me? Jesus Christ. Today is not a good day. Let's see if anyone of these guys goes away so I can switch and charge faster. Now it's at 60 kilowatts. Yeah, but that's not good. Anyway, let's do the Supercharger Talk number 9. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about, there are a bunch of news about FSD. Let me show you the speed, which is 59, which is really low. Unfortunately, I had to, well, whatever. So, and automatically the charging switched to 80% limit because there are many people here charging. I'm going to change it back later on if I can switch. Anyway, so there are many news about FSD, and the version they're up to is 12.3.6, and they should be included auto park and auto summon. So auto park is basically you arrive at a parking lot, a parking spot, and you select on the pad. You'll get a grid of the parking spots available. You can select which parking spot you want to, and the car will park itself. And auto summon is, you are at a store and your car is parked. You use your phone to get the car to you. That's the main difference. So another news was that the question was if FSD will kill insurance, in a sense that of course insurance will be there, but if FSD doesn't is so safe that you don't get into car accidents, insurance for sure needs to go down. And if insurance goes down, many insurance company will fail. That's the idea. And it seems like that if FSD allows actually doesn't allow around 50% of the accidents, insurance will get hit really, really hard. So we'll see what happens. Okay, this guy is going to leave. I'm at 60. Yeah. The guy is from Austria. Let's continue anyway. So FSD in China. Looks like Elon Musk went to China and struck a deal to start robotaxi over there. But these are rumors. We don't know yet. Maybe there'll be a investor meeting in June. So maybe we'll know more about that. And also, I saw a video in China about voice assistant. So this is different from voice command. So Tesla have a voice command. You can talk to the car and say open whatever door, and it will open the door. This is voice assistant, which is based on AI, and it's much different. And most likely it's based on Krog. Yeah, the AI from Elon Musk. Okay, which is interesting. We'll see how it will work. If it will allow you to search the internet to get answer back and whatever. You know, there are so many scenarios when you have AI that is difficult to forecast what they are going to be used for. And also in the US, the 600 kilometers Model Y got to the stores, so you can order that, and it's basically a Model Y rear wheel drive, and it has up to 600 kilometers. 600 kilometers is like 320 miles, something like that, maybe. Also, Musk announced that he tweet, or X, whatever, that there will be an unlock function for another 60 miles or 100 kilometers sold for $1,500, $2,000. So there are cars already sold with, I think it's CATL or LFP batteries. They allow you to have more mileage. So that's interesting. And the cars are sold in between 2023 and 2024. So are basically the latest Teslas, which is interesting. It's a big deal because you can buy more kilometers. I mean, if you need more 60 miles of range, probably if you do lots of trips, road trips, or you use the car for work, for example, if you're an Uber driver or that kind of stuff. So that's an interesting thing. Also, there'll be, again, there's going to be an investor meeting event actually in June, and there'll be on August, there'll be a robotaxi event. And then I went to the Cybertruck event here in Florence, the Odyssey event, and I checked out the Cybertruck. That thing is huge. It doesn't give you justice in videos and pictures. And the thing is huge. Also, they had it in high, how you say, they put a high, what's the name of it? Suspension, all the way high, and it's really high. It looks like a commercial vehicle, you know, that they use for transport goods and stuff. It's really impressive. The structure and the shape is impressive. All the people here in Italy said, the people I talked to, they said that they will never come to Italy because it's difficult to park it and all that stuff. Of course, but if you have your own parking lot, whatever, you might be able to use it. I'm sure you will come to Europe because otherwise it wouldn't make sense to bring it here just for marketing. We'll see. They have to go through regulation and stuff because the shape of the car and wherever. So anyway, this is all the news. There are a bunch of other news, but there were rumors and I was waiting for some confirmation stuff. We'll see next week probably. So I'll finish to charge. It's still a 60 kilowatt speed of charge, which is sucks. Maybe I'll move because another guy came and we'll see. Anyway, I'll check it out with you later on when I'm done and see what's going on. So I changed the location one spot over So my speed now is 120, so double what I had before. It was 60 kilowatts, now it's 120. I think I made a favor to the other guy too. Anyway, that's what you're supposed to do. You leave one spot, at least at the 150 kilowatts chargers, you leave one spot between you and the others. So the power speed of the supercharger is not split between the two. So if you park or you charge side by side, two cars, at the 150 kilowatts charger, you split the power, and so that sucks. If you are the 250 kilowatts, you don't. So that's the etiquette to charge, okay? Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Let me stop the music. Well, anyway, let me get out. I'm done. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm done. Everything went well, beside the first part of the charge. There were not many spots. I charged at 85%. What's going on here with the app? Okay. I charge, let me check. Charging. Okay, I paid 15 bucks. I think I charged around 37 kilowatts. Maybe a bit more. Anyway, everything went well. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.